Okay, guys, so what's going on here is we are rescuing a tiny little starving, absolutely, completely starving dog with mange. He's so bad that he has got absolutely no fur left. I've noticed him here, and he's virtually a skeleton. And I phoned Goa Animal Welfare Trust, which are these guys, an amazing charity that I've been working with for some years. Set up, well, look, Goa Animal Welfare Trust, set up by Western people actually, about 20 years ago. And these lovely guys have come out, and I'm going to pay them 900 rupees, but I really don't mind, because I just don't understand how anybody, and I've just said to these ladies, how can anybody watch an animal that is so clearly dying, that is so clearly in pain, and do absolutely nothing about it? It infuriates me. Look at this little soul. Look at this little soul. Well, he's in safe hands now. He's in safe hands. Well done, guys. Excellent job. Well done. Perfect. He can be happy now. I'll come and visit him. Is it boy or girl? Boy, boy. Sweet little boy. Look at him. I'm so glad we found him. He's too weak to move anywhere. I'm so glad we kind of found him. Hey baby, you are gonna be better. It's okay, it's okay. I know you're frightened, but do you know what? We're gonna help you. They're gonna help you. How can anybody watch this creature and do nothing about it? The mentality of some people, I don't understand. You guys are doing a good job, right? Okay baby, it's okay. It's okay, you're going to be completely fine. Oh my God, I love you. If I could adopt you, I would adopt you. I'm going to come and see you. Don't worry. Beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. How can anybody leave this sort of soul like this? Alright, sweetheart. Okay, okay. These guys are doing a great job. From GAWT. So can you explain what will happen to him now? What's going to happen to him now?
Sorry?
What will happen with him now?
Treatment.
Treatment?
Yeah, doctor see and that treatment.
Okay, and he'll stay there? He'll stay there until he's there? Okay, so I need to come and see him. Oh, you have more! You have more! She's puppies! Puppies, where did you take them from? Because they look quite healthy, these ones in there. Somebody also phoned you today. Ah, well they're having a nice life now. Cool. Okay, this one is just like, look at this poor baby. Okay, okay. You're gonna get better, my love. Okay. I'd like to stay in touch with you guys. I'd like to somehow. How do I keep a record? How do I learn what's happening with him and watch his progress? How can I do that?
There are big cage. There are big
No,
cage.
no, I mean, how can I? Because they're from on the website or something. You speak English? You speak English? Yeah. Asking him on his website, on the website, Goa Animal Welfare Trust, because I called them about this dog. How can I watch his progress? Is he? How long will he stay with them?
आपके पास कितना है उसके पास कितना देर लगेगा
जब तक इसका बाल नहीं आएगा ना तब तक ठीक नहीं हो जाएगा तब तक रखेगा
when the hair comes that time they will bring him with some
Bring him where?
yeah
You just bring him back again with his ear clipped, and he cannot make babies, yeah? Yeah. Vaccinated?
after 3 months they will bring it some.
After 3 months. Okay, so but he'll be vaccinated, means yeah, and he'll be no more puppies.
No.
Yeah, can't breed.
बच्चा निकालेगा वो
नहीं
Yeah. What's he saying?
he will make operation
Yeah. So no more puppies,
No.
and to be clean and vaccinated. Good, but you're bringing back here. Good. And then I'll adopt him. He can be my dog. Okay, bye baby. You'll thank me. I know you were scared. But I'm your guardian angel today.
You took their phone number?
Nice one, guys. You're amazing.